Well, I was catching up on some Windows 10 news, and as I predicted, Windows 10 has turned out to be a very popular operating system. But is it a privacy apocalypse? I don't think so. What's that noise? Well, I have installed Windows 10, upgrading from Windows 7 to Windows 10. I've upgraded, installed it on 3 machines, and so far it's run pretty good. What you see here is the Windows 10 upgrade on my test desktop, running it on my big screen TV. It's been running pretty good, better than I had actually expected. Now, there has been talk about the ways to stay private using Windows 10, or the settings are a bit much, and the security, is it secure, stuff like that, private as it were. But here's my take, and someone asked me what is my thought on the whole privacy issue. Somebody said it's a bit overblown. Maybe, but these are my specific thoughts about this. Windows 10 operating system, like any operating system, is a portal to technology. It contains something that allows access to a feature called the Internet. And that Internet is the world's library. It is a portal to the world. You can get information on just about anything on that particular library without actually going to a physical library. Now, I myself, well, at least in the past, I still enjoyed going to the library. I don't go as much as I used to because I guess it isn't really necessary anymore. But the point being is that portal to the world, that wonderful piece of technology that we call the Internet, well, I suppose there is a price for that, and the price for that is a certain amount of, or a lack of a certain amount of privacy and security. I mean, what are you going to do about it? I guess is what I'm trying to say. I don't have any problems using Windows 10 and going to the Internet. I have nothing to hide except my meth lab. So I'm just kidding. I don't have nothing like that. Nothing. Just a joke. But that being said, there is a price. There is a certain price to be paid. Now, I'm not saying that is good or bad, but that is just the way technology is. Now, somebody said if you really want to be secure and private, just don't get on the Internet. Well, that's certainly one way of looking at it. Another way is to use a Linux-based operating system like what you see here. This is Ubuntu Mate, which is terrific. So unless you don't get on the Internet, use Linux, no one is really forcing you to use Windows 10. It is an option, by the way. You don't have to upgrade from whatever Windows you are using. I did because I was curious. I predicted Windows 10 would be successful, and it is. But as far as the privacy issue and stuff like that, I personally don't have a problem with it. So those are my thoughts on Windows 10 privacy issue. I'm currently using Ubuntu Mate here. When I don't use Windows 10 or Windows 7 or Windows 8 for that matter, I use Ubuntu Mate because I like using it. It is a choice, especially for me. And yes, Linux is going to be in the end more private and secure than Windows. Alright, a couple things of note. Don't forget to vote for the August YouTuber of the Month, and also a poll up. Have you had problems upgrading to Windows 10? That's it for this one. Thanks for watching and listening. Enjoy your technology, and please don't text and drive.